Okay, real talk. You've got the coolest product in school. People love it. You're selling a ton. And somehow, you have $0 at the end of the week. How? Because you didn't do the money math. Today, we fix that. Here are the 3 magic words every entrepreneur has to know. Cost, price, and profit. Cost is what you spend to make 1 unit. That's your lemons, your cups, and your sugar. Price is what the customer pays you. And profit? That's what's left over. Price minus cost. Let's break it down. Imagine your lemonade costs you 30 cents per cup, and you sell it for 25 cents. Ooh, you're actually paying your customers to drink your lemonade? That's a hobby, not a business. But if your cost is 30 cents and you charge $1, boom. 70 cents profit per cup. Sell 10 cups? That's $7 in your pocket. Here's the sweet spot every entrepreneur is hunting for. Price it too low, you make no money. Price it too high, nobody buys. The winning zone is where customers say, yes, that's fair, and you still have plenty of profit. So here's what you're going to do today. Grab a piece of paper. Write down everything you spend to make 1 unit, that's your cost. Now ask yourself, what would a customer honestly pay? That's your price. Subtract the 2, that's your profit. If it's tiny, you need a bigger gap. This is the math every real business runs every day. You got this. Let's crunch some numbers.